My name is Tomas Hernandez. I'm a dealer 8120 supervisor at Scherdel Sales and Technology.
Okay. So what kind of operations does your company do?
Scherdel is all spring making, brake clips. We're starting to get into the med tech and going on from there right now.
Okay, cool. So how did you hear about us?
I walked by your booth.
Okay, so you don't currently, what product are you most interested in?
In lubricants for material, for our material.
Okay, cool. And then what would you say your company's superpower is?
High standard parts that we make.
Okay,
So,
cool. All right, what would you say our superpowers?
it looks like leading the lubrication market, honestly.
Awesome. Okay, well, thank you.